Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Genius Team channel. I'm Hassan Kasula, and today, we're going to continue with the part 2 of the quick tour through our 90 simple topics shortlisted for our journey to explore the computer world. Whether you're a computer novice or just looking for some tips, just subscribe to the channel and enjoy the tech world. Let's get going. Topic number 46. Podcasting 101, Getting Started. Topic number 47. Video Editing Basics. Topic number 48. Audio Editing for Beginners. Topic number 49. Introduction to 3D Printing. Topic number 50. Smart Home Basics. Topic number 51. Understanding Internet of Things, IoT. Topic number 52. Computer Ethics and Digital Citizenship. Topic number 53. Digital Photography Basics. Topic number 54. Introduction to Virtual Reality, VR. Topic number 55. Augmented Reality, an Overview. Topic number 56. Cybersecurity for Everyday Users. Topic number 57. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Topic number 58. Machine Learning Basics. Topic number 59. Data Science for Beginners. Topic number 60. Understanding Blockchain Technology. Topic number 61. Cryptocurrency Basics. Topic number 62. Introduction to Data Privacy. Topic number 63. Ergonomics for Computer Users. Topic number 64. Creating and Managing Passwords. Topic number 65. Keyboard Shortcuts for Efficiency. Topic number 66. Mastering the Control Panel. Topic number 67. Troubleshooting Common Software Issues. Topic number 68. Tips for a Faster Computer. Topic number 69. Introduction to Computer Upgrades. Topic number 70. Basic Computer Science Concepts. Topic number 71. Digital Literacy for Seniors. Topic number 72. Computer Basics for Kids. Topic number 73. Internet Safety for Children. Topic number 74. Introduction to E-Learning Platforms. Topic number 75. Creating and Managing Digital Presentations. Topic number 76. Understanding Computer Viruses. Topic number 77. Malware Protection Tips. Topic number 78. Introduction to Firewall Security. Topic number 79. Data Backup and Recovery Strategies. Topic number 80. Managing Digital Photos. Topic number 81. Creating and Editing Videos on a Budget. Topic number 82. Introduction to Data Compression. Topic number 83. Basic Network Troubleshooting. Topic number 84. Customizing your web browser. Topic number 85. Introduction to Digital Marketing. Topic number 86. E-commerce essentiel. Topic number 87. Building a professional online presence. Topic number 88. Building a professional portfolio. Topic number 89. Email Essentials for Beginners. Topic number 90. Overview through the 90 topics. Feel free to comment or contact us for any kind of support whenever you get stuck in order to boost your adventitious journey to the tech world. Always remember that nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can do it. Be patient and put God first. Subscribe to the Genius Team for more tech tips and insights. I'm Hassan Kasula, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.